Habai keren bikin obatai kubor ubah Sniawbhalang dhar ulong bawala keseng NPP kelas sedang buan hagejing dan ki MLA direkam dan jingthmu ban bekno keseng UDP keberanang hak Sorkar MDA namar klei trailang naruk kesenam arajar kapra bat kini trailang haduk bandakut kesamoi terekam bat baniai beteng menit trailang hadin kesenam arajar apu praru ulong ba keseng kamshem lalit kro yonoru ndrei kilaingut ki MLA ke kongres kilawan hidalade bat kitrang banwanra agi kampen roy haki constituency jongki baru lapan syairu babarok ki MLA ki yo ki kampen roy kamde setiatang ki MLA ki badan hakaliang sensyar marga Sorkar ki yang skamru banthe ki kampen roy ke jela barok kawai haba keli la ki NPP ke dan jingthmu ban khotlang no uba Ronnie Vilingdo u MLA bamarwai ke seng kongres badi uba Vincent H Palau no ngelam ke kongres banwan penyeso no syak NPP uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulong bakin omkhot ndrai la ki kwa ban penyeso syak NPP kalong ke bakloi ban peniang subhai ki Halor ke jingkli la keseng NPP ke doni kanu ke jingthmu ban kro ya ka VPP bat ke TMC ban penyeso no bat ke NPP. Uni usembut menteri rang ba ulong bat ke NPP kam syem lalet keren AA ndrei kla doni ki MLA ki ban ki wei pat kiseng ki balawan ban penpau bagi kwa ban penyeso no ke NPP ndrei ke seng kadang syong bishar ba halor kani. Uba Sniawbhalang dhar ulong ru bakam dan kanu ke jingsi syaru bakaseng NPP ke persyang bantan ne ban kro ki MLA na keseng UDP berman penyeso no ke NPP ndrei ke buram ya barok keseng san pertai ki betre lang hapok ke Sorkar MDA baru ulong ru bak NPP kam dan jingthmu AA ban bujli no ki menteri Sorkar ndrei kan syong pat keseng san pertai ki betre lang ha ke MDA ada ki kwahi ban bujli ki menteri Sorkar nagi seng jongki ulong ba ke NPP ke dan ke jingthmu ban beteng bet ke jing trailang bat ki sengsan perthai ke blai trailang menta wat ke senam arajar apu prasaneng bat ki pat ba ki dei ban duai pat ban yo dunong yalam ubabha ban yalam ya ke jela Meghalaya
hadir melalui kongres wilayah ujian NPP jungi kamu wilayah ya ka majority halor wilayah ya majority emre lain maga jingrum jongki yang lain di kongres MLA tharai wilayah TV ke wilayah express di media kumni express kalau kum tu tiki hanya nak leng jongi kum ke NPP parti ni dan kanu jimut ban weng ino ro mar broch ka tu wilayah Thailand do harja ka pra wisude hiba coalition patana jongi ni teruseki dan kanu jimut ban kenrea ni ban weng ngintai hadu benda ku de tempat kumjur yang kiminti ban teng so hadu arok pra Thailand kumjur.
You can see they came on their own, not because
they came on their own. You see, they are the legislator. They are for development, as like how they express very clearly in the media, and that is the one. You see, because maybe they are all senior politicians. They express very clearly also because we need development for people, so we have to choose and select the right directions. Maybe they see that the performance of the government is very good. Maybe that is one of the reasons they are joining the NPP.
There is another reason also, that the majority of these opposition MLAs are alleging is that the government is not giving them enough developmental schemes for the in their respective constituencies. They said that there's a lot of biasness. What do you have to say?
No, government cannot give enough scheme to all the constituencies, but we are trying as a government to perform our best. You cannot do the hosting with the honorable MLA. You can't do hosting with the animal, with the subji, with the market of Yodo, not with the peoples, not with the honorable MLA. Don't take it in that line. MLA is an honorable MLA which has been elected by the people. They are respected people.
But the NPP is seen as a master of poaching,
That is your prediction, maybe right or wrong, that you are one who know.
as you rightly mentioned, development is for all.
Yeah.
But why these MLAs, 3 opposition MLAs, have to come to join the government to get development?
Maybe they want more development. Simple as that.
They want more development.
Maybe.
So if they are in the opposition, the government will not give them
No, that is not the meaning. Development is for all. But you know very well, maybe once in the government, maybe they get a little bit extra, that we never know. It's the politics. But actually as a government, that is not the mindset. We always try to give equal development for all the constituency. Whether Mr. A will be the chief minister, whether Mr. B will be the chief minister, please pray so that the people of the state will get a good chief minister. That's all we want, I think. Am I right?